stop the brake fluid from coming out with that clamp. Then we're going to spray with VD14 and unscrew the left part. The middle part is the CDV. First spray with VD, unscrew it with 11mm wrench, and the middle part, the CDV, is with 14 as I remember. Next we're going to unscrew this and take out the lower clutch pump. Okay, so that is the CDV. You can see there is a small hole, and on the line there is a big hole, so that prevents the clutch from faster engaging. So it's really easy on E39. It's a 1-minute job. You just unscrew it. If you want to delete the CDV, just unscrew it and remove it, then plug again the line in the hole. So this is the pump. We're going to use a repair kit for it, really cheap, for the lower clutch pump. So here it is. This is the old part, this is the new part. They seem to be different, but you can use it, you can use wherever. This is not the important part. The most important part is inside, where the piston is. This is only for outside. This is the most important part. You need to put it inside. So it's really easy to remove everything. Just use a screwdriver, and yeah, I already disassembled everything. Now putting some grease. This is the piston inside. Put some grease, then put this little rubber thing. It's looking pretty the same. Use the new parts only. You don't actually have to use the new parts, everything from the new parts. And like that, just do it like that, pretty simple, and then bleed the clutch